best designs take advantage of the outdoors, treating the surrounding landscape as an extension of the home. Hi, I'm Scott Morgan. Welcome to Dream Builders. Today we'll see how landscape architecture can enhance our dream homes. We'll learn how old tires are turned into new homes, and we'll meet a builder whose ideas are challenging the notion of how we live. But first, let's take a look at how home, for many of us, includes the great outdoors.
Come on down, I wanted you to see what Elton and the guys did this morning. They were working on...
Brad and Diane Matson face a challenge.
Take a look.
Their house is on a difficult slope of land. And they want landscaping that will enhance their property, their house, and their life. Which is why when it came time for the waterfalls and backyard pool, they went to Philip DiGiacomo.
It's not a question of making stuff that kind of looks like rock. Nature has a dynamic, and it's communicating that dynamic.
The firm of DiGiacomo is perhaps the premier creator of rockscapes in the world, applying the sensibilities of the fine arts to the craft of rock building.
What you're really trying to accomplish is not just simply to show them nature. What you're really trying to accomplish is give them an insight into nature.
Instrumental to that process is the maquette, a three-dimensional scale model that DiGiacomo uses to detail every aspect of the rock formation, down to the color and cracks. For DiGiacomo, the maquette is the blueprint, freeing him up to create and supervise projects from his studio or warehouse, where his rocks are manufactured. DiGiacomo works from castings taken from surrounding hillsides. Using a mixture of plaster, cement, and fiberglass, what gives the rocks their authenticity isn't as much technical know-how as artistic and geological sensitivity.
If this rock were to be gray, colored by DiGiacomo, this would be a light gray because this piece fell out just recently. So it's a process of weathering is what you're duplicating rather than the color of rock.
Finished rocks are shipped out to work sites such as the Matsons, where Elton Link supervises what is often a lengthy construction cycle that can take anywhere from a few months to years.
After the structural steel is up, extended from your footings or pool shell in this case, our castings are affixed to the structural steel and then backfilled with concrete.
For the Matsons' house, DiGiacomo's rock creations solve both aesthetic and topographical challenges.
The hillside used to basically come down almost into our front door and dining room. So what we did was we pushed the whole hillside back and built that waterfall to hold the hill up, and we built ourselves a front yard.
The water and rocks in front extends to the back pool, which is sculpted to suggest permanence.
So we really wanted it to look like maybe it had been here, and it kind of all got washed out of the dirt, and we just built some features around it.
Those features include a waterfall, cliff diving, and a swim-through rock entrance to a sand beach cave.
Whether it's finding new sources for building materials, designing homes that heal the spirit, or integrating home and landscape, as you've seen, it takes vision, passion, and ingenuity to build our dream homes. We'll show you more next time on Dream Builders. I'm Scott Morgan. So long.